Well, good morning. It's another great weekend. Didn't get struck by Laura. I feel bad for all the people who did. I understand, and hopefully you'll have a quick recovery. So anyways, this weekend I plan to get the Firewall installed. That's my whole goal. Not going to get all crazy and shit and try and make loftier goals, but that's what I'm shooting for today. So stick around. Now we're going to start back where we left off. As you can see, it's close, but no cigar along here. And I think it's because this is sitting on this lip that I left in there. So this lip that I'm left in there. So I'm going to have to do a little bit of cutting right there to get it to sit lower. And let's go look at the other side. All right, on this side, you can see it's flush right there, and then it starts to get wider as we go down, and then it's all the way off the frame rail. So I am gonna take it out and trim it up. This side, it's not sitting, but nothing's holding it up. So I am gonna go do the other side to get like that, and then see if I can get it sit as flush right here as this side. So that's one of my first things. Also, I'm just going to show you the highlights this time. I've been working on trying to figure out what's the best way to show you everything, but yet not be boring and make too long of a video. So hopefully this one will be a little bit better. All right, I'm cleaning it up. I cleaned up over there. I'm about to set the firewall in. I'll show you how it's sitting right now. Like I said, I'm trying to clean up and get it to fit as good as I can before I do anything else. So here we go. We're definitely getting there. So I don't know what this is catching on, but it's up a little bit right here. So I don't know if I gotta cut that down some more. I guess I do. You know where it's, see where it's catching right there? But if I get that to sit down, look at how close it is on the frame rail. So we're getting there. And on this side, it's fitting good. And then it's this damn floor. So, and it's not sitting all the way on this lip. So something's holding it up, but we're gonna get there. We're gonna get it. We are definitely gonna get it. So I'm gonna just keep cleaning, and eventually I'll get it where it needs to be. All right, after a lot of hard work, I'm going to zip some screws in here to pull it tight, but it appears to be sitting where it's supposed to sit. Both sides are sitting nice and flush right there. Both sides need to be pulled down a little bit for the floor pan to sit on the frame rail, but we're going to get that. But whew, that was a lot of work. I want to work a little bit longer, and I want to try and get it to where tomorrow morning, first thing when I get going, I can start welding this thing in. That's the plan. So might actually meet a goal that I've set for myself this weekend. It's crazy talk, but gotta do it. So there's where it's at. There's where it's at. I'm gonna take this out, clean it up even more, spray some weld through primer on everything that I'm going to be welding to tomorrow, and we'll go from there. All right, I've reached the stopping point for tonight. I have put a couple screws in just to pull it tight, just to make sure I'm close. So tomorrow I can mark where I need to put some holes. Down there I got one, and it's pulled it pretty tight. So it's looking good. Got some stuff done today. That's where we're at. So I'll be back at it bright and early tomorrow. So today I'm going to mark this up with my old handy dandy marks a lot, so I can put the holes where they need to be in the firewall. And then I'm going to clean some more, just to make sure that I've cleaned it enough to get a good contact and current through it. So that's what else I have today. It's not going to be exciting. I'll just do highlights like I did yesterday, and hopefully I can edit this into a decent length video rather than just high speed, low drag, no talking. So comment below if I'm doing something absolutely crazily wrong, because I've only taken one welding class. So that's what I'm going to do. All right, so I marked it up where I need to put some holes to do the plug welds. I am not going to do the sides because I'm going to be taking that out. Well, I might be doing some of the sides, but I need to cut this out so that I can put a new one in. So anyways, it's been a full weekend of work, and now I am going to call it a day. So good morning. It's the long Labor Day weekend, so I'm going to try and get some stuff done. I got 3 days. I've already got the firewall all cut out. I'm going to underestimate what I'm going to get done and be hopeful that it happens, but I intend to get the firewall, the new firewall, reinstalled, so stick around. All right, I got a little bit more to do on these, but I'm getting closer to what I need to do. But we'll go from there. But this is my starting point for the weekend. All right, I worked some more on the flange over there to clean it up, and now I'm going to put some weld through primer on that thing. I worked all the way over to halfway, so then I'm going to, as soon as I put some weld through primer on all that, I'm going to come over here and do the same thing so it's ready to receive my firewall. So that's where we're at, and today I'm just working, and I'll show you what I get done when I get it done. All right, I put the weld through primer on this first half, and now I just got to go over there and start cleaning that up. So see you in a while. All right, I got this side cleaned up and got the weld through primer on. So the next thing I'm going to do is fit that puppy. See how close I am to being ready to secure it in there permanently. So here I go. All right, so while you were gone, I started prepping this for installation, put my holes in for my spot welds. And I think I showed you this already, but I got this all weld through primed. And so then I'm gonna set it and put it in place before I weld. I'm gonna show you a little bit more, but it's going. All right, it's starting to go in. Got to tighten it up around the edges a little bit. I don't know if you can see over there, it's sitting pretty good on that side. Sitting pretty good on this side. It's just off the frame rails a wee bit, but I think I can get that fixed. There, it's tighter on here too. So we're getting close. I think tomorrow I'm gonna weld it in so I can go to the next step. So there you go. Well, it's day 2 of the long weekend. Yesterday I quit. I had the firewall in. I was just doing my final fit. I think I have to take it out one more time, and then we'll get installing it permanently. So stick around. Well, I got the firewall all screwed in, and I wanted to make sure the cowl would fit after I get it put in. So it fits here. It lays pretty solid against this all the way down. Sits here, it's inside this groove, and then it starts to get a little wonky right here. So I'm hoping it's just because these are from 2 different manufacturers, these panels, because it would sit, but it's got this lip right here that it's hitting. So So, and it's lined up with the alignment holes. So I'll just have to make it fit. But for the most part, it fits pretty damn good. So I think I'm about ready to zip this sucker in. Well, I'm partially through welding this thing in. Still got a whole bunch to do, but since it's like 110 out, I'm gonna take a little break and then I will go back at it. But whew, it's hotter than balls. All right, well, I have got it started welded in, and tomorrow, because it's Labor Day, I'm going to do some labor, and I'm going to start working on these floors. I want to get the floors in, and then I'm going to drop back and do these cowl sides. So that's the plan. Tomorrow is floors, and then one of these days I'm going to have to figure out how I'm going to get this dash cleaned so I can paint it, because it's totally disgusting and it's got a ton of rust. So I don't know how your dash rusts, but it is Louisiana and it is humid as hell, so maybe that's what did it. But anyways, that's for another day, but got some good stuff done today. All right, well, I appreciate everybody sticking around. Thank you very much for all the support. If you could, please give it a like or a dislike, whichever, and then comment on it would be greatly appreciated. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I appreciate it, and everybody have a great day.